Hello everyone, and thanks for watching Edupedia World videos. In this video, we'll discuss solutions to problems in the first paper of the 2014 JEE Advanced Physics question paper.
In question 17, you have a curve that's not really a circle, it's in a lift, and an object is going from Q to Q. This is 4 meters, this is 3 meters, this is 90 degrees, and this is a straight line journey. Right? So, the force, it's given that it acts along the rail from Q to Q, and the magnitude is 18. The force always points in this direction. Even when the object is here, the force always points in this direction. And the magnitude of the force is 18. And we know if the force is constant, we can just write down the work done by the force as F dot D, where D is the displacement vector. In this case, the displacement vector is the vector PQ. It doesn't matter how we got there. So the work done is 18 into D. They're in the same direction, parallel to each other, and this distance is 5 meters. So it is 90 joules. This is the work done by this force. We are asked the kinetic energy, and the answer would be 90 if there was no other force, but there is a force of gravity acting downward. And the work done by the force of gravity will be minus mgh, because it's going upward. So that is minus 1 into 10 into this height is 4 meters, which is minus 40 joules. So 90 joules is the total work done by the force, minus 40 is the work done by the gravity, which means the total work done is 90 minus 40, which is 50 joules, which is the change in kinetic energy. Initial kinetic energy was 0, so final kinetic energy is 50. That means n is equal to 5. Thank you.